Hi everybody, my name is Daud. It's a new day today and I welcome you all to Shiv Jyoti online classes. Allow me to begin with your today's topic, articles. A, N and the are called articles. Articles can be categorized in two categories, indefinite article and definite article. A and N are known as indefinite articles, while the is the definite article. Now the question may arise in your mind, why is that so? Because A and N are used to talk about any person, animal or thing, while we use this definite article the to talk about particular person, animal or thing. Okay? Are you getting it? For example, can you see this marker? Good. If I say this is a marker, I mean it's just a marker. This is a marker, which means there are other markers like this marker. There can be so many other markers like this. This is a marker. But when I say this is the marker my grandfather gave me, I mean this is that particular marker which I received from my grandfather. So you're getting the difference? I'm going to write all this on the board for you. Articles can be categorized in two categories. See it like this. If you want, you can anytime pause the video and draw this chart yourself in your notebook. Indefinite articles. Definite article. Indefinite articles are A and N. A and N, indefinite articles. The is the definite article. Now we will talk about where to use A and where to use N. We use A before the words that begin with consonant sound. A ball, a cat, a dog, a hat. While we use N before the words that start with vowel sound. An ink pot, an orange, an elephant. The words that start with A, E, I, O, U with vowel sound. Before them we use the article N. Okay? There's another important thing that you need to keep in mind. You never forget about this. You use these articles before singular nouns. A ball, a cat, a dog, a hat. It will never be a balls, a cats, a dogs. With plural nouns, you will never use these articles. Alright? We are going to talk more about them in detail. Please come to the DG board with me. Children, now I request you to please take out page number 78 of your book. Alright? That's where you will find all this. A and N and the are special words used before nouns and noun phrases. They are called articles. A and N are called indefinite articles because they indicate any person, animal or thing in a general way. Okay, you remember that example? This is a marker, which means I'm saying this in a general way, in a general sense. It's just a marker. There are other markers like this. Okay, this is called, the definite article because it indicates a particular person, animal or thing. Okay, the is used to indicate or to talk about things, animal or person in particular. When we mention a particular person, thing or animal, we use the. Like I mentioned, this is the marker my grandfather gave me. You getting the difference? Alright. Indefinite articles. We will now talk about indefinite articles. Articles can be categorized in two categories, indefinite article and definite article. A and N will fall in the category of indefinite article, while the is the definite article. First, we are talking about indefinite articles A and N. According to your book, page number 78, the article A is used before singular countable nouns or noun phrases beginning with consonant sound. So as we mentioned earlier also, singular, make sure the word is singular. Here we have some word, a ball, a hut, a calf, a university, alright, a one-eyed man. The article N is used before singular countable noun or noun phrases beginning with vowel sound. See, an engine, an onion, an umbrella, an ink pot, an orange. Okay, so we have an exercise for you here. Are you ready for this exercise? Write A or N before the nouns and noun phrases given below. So here we have some nouns with us and some noun phrases also. We have to find out whether to use A or N. Okay, how will we identify the words that begin with consonant sound? We will use A there, and for the words that begin with vowel sound, we will use the article N there. So A, E, I, O, U, you remember? First word that we have is ice cream. What is this? Ice cream. Which one is your favorite flavor? Ice cream, an ink pot. Okay, an ice cream. We are going to use this article N here. Then we will take fifth one, an African. And then we will take eighth one, a 1 rupee coin. Now you may wonder, this is O, why are we using A here? Why aren't we using N? It's about the sound, one. It's not making the sound of O, it's making the sound of W or V, one. Okay, it's not the O sound, it's a different sound. It's about the sound. So a 1 rupee coin, a color, alright, you're getting it? So we will talk about we'll talk about the rest of them later, maybe in your live session. We will now talk about exercise B, but before that, we will have to first understand about definite article the, because that exercise might be about the. So we must understand about the first. We use the when we speak of a particular thing or something that has already been mentioned. We use the to speak of particular things or the things that were mentioned in a sentence before. For example, we have a sentence here, there is a tree near my house, the tree bears mangoes. Here we have two sentences. See the first one, there is a tree near my house. Tree is already mentioned here. Now we want to mention the tree again. We want to talk about this particular tree again. So we will use the with it. The tree bears mango. Okay, there is a tree near my house, the tree bears mangoes. Here when we have used this the with this tree, we automatically mean this particular tree. Okay, we do not use the before uncountable nouns, proper nouns and abstract nouns when we are speaking in general. When we are speaking in general about these three things, we do not use the. I like listening to music. I like listening to the music will be wrong. I like listening to music. My cousin lives in Delhi. Delhi is a proper noun. Proper nouns, you know, are names. We do not use the before names. Okay? My cousin lives in Delhi. My cousin lives in Chennai. We won't write the with names of cities because they are proper nouns. And as we have just now learned the rule that before proper nouns, we won't use the article the. Greed is the root of all evil. Yeah, we have an abstract noun, evil. We haven't used the article the. We have avoided its use because that's the rule. However, we use the before uncountable nouns that have been made particular. I do not like the music they are playing. Okay. Here we can use the before uncountable nouns that have been made particular, which are particular. For example, here you will wonder, why are we using the here? Above we didn't use the. Why are we using the here? I do not like the music they are playing. Because here I want to talk about, imagine a scene. I am standing here and there are some guys playing music, good music there. Or maybe bad music, although music is never bad. So they are playing some music. They have their instruments, guitar and violin and keyboard with them, and they are playing some music. So I want to talk about that particular music which they are playing. In that case, I will use the article the, and I will say, I do not like the music they are playing. I do not like the music. I'm talking about the particular music which they are producing, creating and playing right now. The water dripping from the roof has made our room wet. Here we have used the article the here. Why? Because I'm talking about the water, the particular water which has been dripping from this roof. Alright, so I'm talking about the particular water, although there is no such thing happening here. It's just to make you understand. We use the before things that are only one of their kind. Alright, so which means we use the for unique things. Like there is no sun, there is no second sun, we just have one sun that gives us sunlight. Sun is unique. The earth moves around the sun. There is only one sun, there is only one earth. So for them, we will use the article the. The earth moves around the sun, the moon, the earth. Alright. Lucknow is the capital of Uttar Pradesh. Here we have used the to talk about the capital of Uttar Pradesh according to the rule that we use the before things that are only one of their kind. We use the before superlatives. We always use the before superlative degrees, the greatest, the happiest, the best. Alright. Always use the before superlative degree. Aftab is the tallest boy in class. Aftab is the tallest boy. Aftab has got the tallest height. Aftab is the tallest boy. So before superlative degree, we always use the article the. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. Alright, Mount Everest is the highest is a superlative degree. Okay. We use the before names of rivers, seas, oceans, mountain ranges, holy books, trains, ships, aeroplanes, famous buildings and newspapers. So we use the before the names of these. We have some examples. The Nile is the longest river and the Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. River Nile is in Egypt. When we are mentioning the name of the river Nile, we are saying the Nile, okay? The Nile is the longest river, the Pacific Ocean, alright? The Titanic sank on 15th April 1912. Sorry. As we learned, before the names of ship, we use the article the. So, Titanic is a name of a ship on which a good film was also made. The Titanic sank on 15th April 1912. Before the names of newspaper, the Times of India, the Hindustan Times. The Times of India is Arnab's favorite newspaper. The Shatabdi Express is a super fast train. The Shatabdi Express, the Rajdhani Express, the Chennai Express. Okay, so I hope you have understood all about the which was given in your book. Now we will move further and talk about the exercise that we have with us. Exercise B. Choose the correct article for each context. Cross out both if none is needed. So we have to choose the correct article according to the words and sentence that we will find here. So we have to choose the correct article and we have to cross. So it may be also that we won't get to use any of the article, and in such situation, in such case, we will use this cross there. First one is, let's do the first one, begin with first. There is dash egg in dash basket. We will use the article an here, an elephant, an egg. You getting it? Vowel sound. An egg. There is an egg in the basket. We have used the article the here because we are talking about this particular basket. So we have used the. There is an egg in which basket? In the basket, in this particular basket. The fifth one now, because this will give you all the three articles just in one. Dash apple dash day keeps dash doctor away. Here, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Alright, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. So this is one of the ways of living a healthy lifestyle. We are going to talk about exercise C now. I wish you all the very best for exercise B. We have left some points for you to do, and I hope you'll be able to do them on your own. Now we will talk about exercise C. Underline the definite articles that are correctly used. Circle the ones that are wrongly used. Okay? So we have some articles which are used in a correct way and some articles which are wrongly used. We have to identify and find them out. It's going to be very interesting. See the second one in your book, page number 80. The cartoon films made earlier were much simpler. Than the ones made today. So can you see the article the in this sentence? Please pay attention. Yes, here we have an article, the cartoon films. And where else we have it? We have it here. The cartoon films made earlier were much simpler than the ones made today. So both the times it has been used correctly. So we are not going to circle it. We will see third one. See third one in your book. The Mickey Mouse is one of the most famous. The Mickey Mouse is one of the most famous cartoon characters. So do you see the anywhere? Yes, you can see the Mickey Mouse is one of the most famous cartoon characters. Here it has been wrongly used. Why? Because Mickey Mouse is a proper noun. Mickey Mouse is a name of that particular cartoon. Mickey Mouse is the name, okay? It's the name of a very famous, one of the most famous cartoons by Walt Disney. So before names we do not use the, so we have circled it here. Here the use of the is right, so we are going to underline it. So I believe you can do the rest of them on your own. I wish you all the very best. Now we will talk about exercise D. Exercise D. Insert the wherever it is necessary, put a cross where it is not needed. Okay? So we are going to see the first one here. So dash universe consists of dash sun, dash moon and many other celestial bodies. Insert the wherever it is necessary. Here it is necessary to insert the. Why? Because there is only one universe. Universe is unique. The universe. The sun. Sun is unique. Sun is only one. Okay? There's only one. Do we have two sun? No, we just have one sun. Sun. And the moon. So it was necessary to insert the in all the three blanks. The universe consists of the sun, the moon, and many other celestial bodies. All right? I believe you can do the rest of them on your own. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you very soon again.